Great morning, guys. We are in China. Sorry we disappeared for a day. We were just getting things situated as far as Wi-Fi.
We got in late. We got in real late.
2 a.m. So this is our second day.
We have to take the bus to the train to meet a local guide.
Yes.
And her name is Washa. Very nice
lady.
Very nice lady.
In fact, she also helped Kenny set up and register the drone.
Yep.
So that he can be able to fly it here in China.
Get some footage for you guys.
Great.
Yeah.
I'll leave a link of where we found her and the website, which is great because it's free.
So I see we're coming up on our bus stop and already there's a queue to get on the bus.
In China, public transportation is very inexpensive and it's the fastest way to get around, as traffic can be brutal. Everyone uses the WeChat app to pay for everything, including bus fares. However, we paid with cash until we can get to the subway station to purchase our Metro cards. And although there was standing room only, we were happy to be up front where we could enjoy the view.
Alright guys, we just got off the bus. It's the last stop and we have to find...
It was quite enjoyable.
Yeah, I liked it.
Alright, we're gonna meet up with Washa.
But we have to take the train first, so we have to buy train tickets.
No, we're gonna meet up with Washa here at this
Oh, that's
train
right.
station.
I'm sorry. Yeah, you're right.
And then go on the train and head to downtown Beijing.
Yeah.
And go sightseeing.
After meeting up with our local guide, we were off to the Forbidden City. But first, we needed Metro cards.
Alright, so we're getting our transit cards. And how it works is you buy the cards and you swipe it. You swipe when you get on, you swipe when you get off. Easy.
With Metro cards in hand, and after being screened by security, we were finally on our way.
Alright guys, so we're at Tiananmen Square. It's pretty cool here, big open area. And this is where we go to buy tickets. Oh, it's a long queue here. Wow. And we have to wait in an extremely long line to go through. I'll show you. I'm going to turn this around in a second. Well, everyone is trying to get to security to get checked before you can go in to the square. And we made it through security.
Never again.
That was crazy. That was elbow room only in there. That was nuts.
What an experience.
To get to the Forbidden City, we first had to walk through the Tiananmen Gate, also known as the Gate of Heavenly Peace. This gateway is massive and is adorned with the portrait of Mao Zedong, former chairman of the People's Republic of China.
We were so surprised to learn that the Tiananmen Gate was not the actual entrance to the Forbidden City. That would be the Meridian Gate, which was about another 15-minute walk. And there, you can purchase the tickets to enter the Forbidden City. So all this, just to lead to the museum?
All English career, all in family.
Guys, this place is huge. It just goes on and on and on, and it's all beautiful. Walking on these big, like I feel like it's almost like polished stone, and they're quite slippery. But yeah, it's beautiful in here and ginormous.
During the Ming Dynasty, the Hall of Supreme Harmony was used for grand ceremonies, such as emperors' enthronement ceremonies and imperial weddings. After leaving the palace grounds, we entered the Imperial Garden. Here, the emperors and their wives came to relax, and so did we.
Alright guys, we decided to take a seat and have a break because we've been walking for over an hour.
After a 20-minute break, we enjoyed the rest of the grounds and made our way to the Forbidden City's exit. This is it!
We made it out.
Finally! I'm squashing hot.
A lot of
This has
walking.
been the best this particular moment right now. Thank you.
She had a hard time walking through. It's a long
It's
walk.
the heat, guys.
Yeah, it really is hot.
Please.
And she, look, umbrella, hat, fan.
All done up. Just for you guys. Fab.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go way up that mountain.
Jingshan Mountain.
It's called Jingshan Mountain.
Yeah.
Apparently when you get up there, there's a view where you see the entire Beijing. So we have to do it, guys. We gotta do it, right?
Yes.
We have to do it. Let's do it. We have to cross the street, so there's an underpath to cross the street. So we just made it through. We paid 2 yens each to come into the park, which leads to the top of this mountain where you can see a view of Beijing.
Beijing and the
Yeah.
check out this view that I worked so hard for.
Wow. Let's show everyone why we came here. Glad to be going down.
That wasn't so bad, Kenny. What are you whining for?
After hours of sightseeing in 90-degree heat, we were exhausted and hungry. Washa, our guide, took us to a local restaurant to try Pecking Duck, a traditional Chinese dish, and a must when in Beijing.
Welcome, darlings. Welcome.
This is Peking Duck.
Yeah, Peking Duck. Yeah,
That's-
Chicken Duck. Yeah，放在这儿吧。
And
你有勺吗？给我们弄个勺，拿一个勺过来。啊。
Washa showed us how to properly wrap the pieces of duck with other ingredients in the crepe-like pancake. Then we stuffed our faces. It was delicious.
so we just stuffed our faces with Peking Duck
See the smile here?
and some delicious rice and some veggies. I think it was
fried broccoli.
everything was finger licking good.
Well, you see, like we just developed a very simple
Yeah.
bit of food.
Yeah, and so for 3 people, I paid $23 US. So now we are going
What is the
to.
plan?
We're following Washa, and so far it's been a great day.
Yeah, no complaints, Washa.
No,
Thank you.
all right. So let's see what she got in store for us.
All right, let's go. After a short bus ride and a short walk, we finally arrived at Old Town Beijing.
Some
In old Beijing, old house like this, no high building.
no high buildings, so
Yeah.
all the houses are like this.
Yeah, like this.
Wow, and these have been restored.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is totally, has totally too.
Check out that street behind me. Look at that.
Yeah. You see, this is 太学. 太学 is like a school.
So this is an old
yeah,
school
Yeah, old school like that.
for children.
Not for children, for yeah,
Like a
Oh,
university?
yeah,
like a
yeah.
college.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
college or university. Yeah. They learn how to take the good picture.
Yeah, I see
Yeah.
that.
The teacher.
Good, no,
good.
And just like that, Kenny was a part of the photography class. And Kenny insists that his picture will be better. Using the water to have a reflection.
Hold on.
Why don't you turn your camera around, maybe? And he is trying to take a picture of that. Uh-oh, I think he's doing it. Oh, he's excited!
Professional now.
He was not even a part of this class. Look at him. Let's see. Show everyone. Everyone wants to see. Come on, you see it. You see it. It's so good.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Not bad.
After dragging Kenny out of the class, we enjoyed the grounds. He made himself a part of this photography class again.
Press the button, babe. Like that? Let me see this.
Watching Kenny interact with the students of this photography class, I realized that the best part of traveling isn't seeing the most famous sights. It isn't running from one attraction to the next. It's about moments like these, meeting people, crossing those cultural lines, breaking through language barriers, and being accepted for who we are, and accepting people for who they are. And although we love and enjoy visiting those famous sites, it's moments like these we remember and cherish the most.
We are here at an old Chinese school.
Washa, what's the name of it?
国子监.
国子监.
国子监 mean is this school is for service country. Is yeah.
Oh, so it's
the,
an old
yeah.
Chinese school to serve the country.
Yeah.
But it's no longer school,
No.
so they made it into a museum. But
Yeah.
it is absolutely stunning in here.
This is the best place to end your day.
Yeah, it's
Quiet,
quiet, cool,
easy.
trees, it's beautiful. They give you free photography lessons.
No, he just jumped in that class and thought he was a part of it.
I got nice pictures.